In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable command blocks in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To get started, open Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. You can do this in either a new world or a world you already have, but cheats must be enabled. If you are creating a new world, make sure you turn cheats on before entering the game. If you are using an existing world, open it and confirm that commands are available. Command blocks can only be used when cheats are enabled, so this part is important. Once you are inside the world, the next step is to open the in-game chat. Press the T key on your keyboard. This will bring up the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. The chat is where you will enter the command needed to get a command block into your inventory. Now type the following command exactly as shown. /give space at s space Minecraft command _ block. After typing the full command, press enter. If the command is entered correctly, Minecraft will give you a command block right away. You should see it appear in your hotbar or in your inventory, depending on the available space. After that, select the command block and place it anywhere in your world, just like you would place a normal block. Choose a clear area so it is easy to access. Once the block is placed, walk up to it and right-click on it. This will open the command block interface. Inside that interface, you can type in the command you want the block to run. After entering your command, you can adjust the settings if needed, such as whether the block activates with redstone or runs automatically based on its configuration. For basic use, the most important part is simply entering the command correctly and saving it. When you are ready, activate the command block based on how you have set it up. If it is a standard impulse command block, you will usually need a redstone signal, such as a button or lever, to make it run. Once activated, the command inside the block will execute in your world. That is the full process. Open Minecraft Java, make sure cheats are enabled, open chat with T, use the give command to get the command block, place it down, and right-click it to enter your command. That covers everything you need to know.